This is an overview of creating a prescription and work planner under the Plan menu in John Deere Operations Center with TELUS Equipment Solutions. Prescriptions are used to optimize input placement, reduce waste, and increase yields by enabling variable rate application of products like seeds, chemicals, and fertilizers. These prescriptions, created within the Operations Center using TELUS Prescription Creator, allow for tailored application rates based on specific zones within a field, maximizing economic benefit. We will review how to create a prescription through Work Planner, generating zones, where to access editing tools, and saving the prescription. Navigate to the Plan menu and select TELUS Agronomy Prescription Creator. Essentially, you plan the work, select your fields, then the product, and finally create the prescription. Plan work faster and make it easy for operators to get the prescription setup details right the first time. Enter data only once. Select the field and product and work planner. The prescription creator will load this data when creating prescriptions. Enable zero-touch setup on the display. Save time by planning your prescription rate setup. Receive accurate work details. Upon entering the field, operators receive and confirm work plan details. Click Continue to Work Planner. For this example, let's select 2025 and then seeding from the top. Then click Plan Seeding. Select the desired field. If you see a RX icon next to the field, it means there are unplanned prescriptions available. Click Next. Continue to populate Work Planner. Only the crop type is required because of the asterisk. Let's populate all of them, then move back up to Products and Mixes. Select the desired product and rate. Click the caret down icon next to the prescription symbol. Select Create. You are then directed to the TELUS Agronomy Prescription Creator. Due to the nature of the example field, let's select Soil Survey as the prescription source. Select Generate Zones. Enter a rate for each zone. You can distribute values through each zone, or you can dissolve zones by combining columns with identical values. At this point, if you select Save, it will save the prescription. To edit zones, click on the top right where it says Manually Edit Zones. This will take you to a new page, and your rates will be erased when you return to the main page. Let's keep the zones we have and click Save to avoid re-entering the values. Scroll to the bottom and click Save. Your work order for your prescription map is now complete. This completes the overview of creating a prescription and work planner under Plan in your John Deere Operations Center account with TELUS Equipment Solutions. Please call 830-224-4277 to get in contact with one of TELUS Equipment's Integrated Solutions representatives.